In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list in Monday.com. 5 minutes will move quickly but clearly, and by the end, you'll have a tidy board that updates itself so you can spend more time doing and less time organizing. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. Make sure you're in the right workspace for your team or project. If you're part of multiple workspaces, pick the one where your to-do list should live so it's visible to the right people and permissions are already in place. At the top or sidebar, look for the plus icon. This is where you create new things in Monday.com. Click it, and when the menu opens, hover over the option labeled Board. You'll see different types you can create from here, but we're focusing on a standard board for tasks. Hovering first helps you preview the choices before clicking through. Give your board a clear action-oriented name. Something like personal to-do, marketing tasks, or team action items works well. A specific name makes it easy to search later and helps teammates immediately understand what belongs here. Keep it short but descriptive. Next, choose what you want to manage in your view. Monday.com often suggests templates or item types at this point. For a simple to-do list, think in terms of items you'll check off, tasks, follow-ups, or deliverables. If you see options that mention statuses, owners, and due dates, that's perfect. You'll want those fields for automation later. Click Create Board. Monday.com will generate your new space with default columns and a clean layout. You can start adding tasks right away, but let's set up automation first so the board works smarter for you. Find the Automate button near the top of your board. This opens the Automation Center where you can add rules that listen for triggers and perform actions. Click to create an automation. You'll see ready-made recipes like when status changes to done, move item to group done, or when date arrives, notify someone. Pick one that fits your to-do list. For example, choose a rule that sends a reminder when a due date arrives or automatically assigns a task when it's created. Continue to customize your rule. Select the exact status, date column, or person column involved and confirm the action. Give your automation a quick, meaningful name so you can recognize it later. Save it, then test by creating a sample task and updating its fields. If notifications feel too noisy, adjust the rule instead of deleting it. Refining beats starting over. That's it. Your automated to-do list is live and ready to keep you on track.